Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, this week we're gonna make a drawing, but we have a lot of things to talk about the drawing. It's kind of an interesting thing. It's autumn time now and leaves have probably started to change or already changing. So that's the inspiration for our project. And it's a few different steps. But first I want to talk for just a quick minute about leaves. I copied these pictures from the internet. This is a picture of leaves changing next to a lake. Is it upside down?
Yeah.
Miss Kate's telling me I'm upside down.
Plus the water's
Silly
in the sky.
me. Okay, so that is the picture of like an autumn leaf changing scene. Those of you that live in the fall or have visited places where leaves really change, this is kind of what it looks like. And here's a close-up of the leaves, which is kind of cool. So I thought to myself, why do leaves change colors? So lots of different reasons, but what I boiled it down to for my brain that works really good is the temperature in the air signals the leaves to sort of close down the veins from the leaves so that they don't damage the tree. So when it starts to get cold, the leaves in the veins in the leaves close down to protect the tree. And then I guess they change colors. It has to do with the temperature. Oh, I made some notes for myself. Of course, I forgot to bring my paper over. And the moisture in the air. And so that's kind of why leaves change color. That's one lesson. And now we're going to work on our project. So leaves come in lots of different shapes. This is probably based on an oak leaf, and these are maybe maple leaves. I don't know about this one, but it's pretty. So you first want to decide what your leaf is going to be. I've gone for one big leaf. You could do more than one leaf if you like, but I liked the way that looked. So you want a leaf for your inspiration. And then the other really cool thing Miss Kate's been doing with us on drawing time with our Zoom friends are Zentangles, which is a structured, Miss Kate, remember that?
Yes.
She's going to tell us.
It's different from a doodle. So basically it's a structured drawing within a drawing. So looking at patterns. So Miss Hazel made that one right there. There's different shapes. She made a shape and then within that drew little sections and then added in patterns into that.
And then I did it on my leaf because I thought, isn't that cool? Now, again, you could do whatever you like, but that's what this lesson's about today. So I'm first started with my pencil. So my things that I need today are pencil, oil pastels, or you could use crayons. And then I have my watercolor palette and some water, but my pencil to start. Oh, and my Sharpie friend, because that's how I'm going to outline it so you can see. So I started first with my pencil and made a leaf shape. And then I got my Sharpie out. I already kind of started so you could see. And I'm outlining my leaf. And then I'm going to make the vein. And then I'm going to section my vein off, my leaf off by kind of maybe even thinking it looks like it's part of the vein. Kind of cool. Okay, now I have my leaf, and now I'm going to get my oil pastels, and in each of the leaves, I'm going to make a different design. Mine is kind of fanciful colors. I thought after, if you wanted to do a theme, if you look, I've got kind of cool colors on this side. I've got warm colors, kind of autumn colors. So I just did kind of crazy colors, but you could do whatever you like. So you're going to start in each of your sections by making a different design. And I know you have great imaginations, so you could do polka dots, waves, lines, kind of any design that you like. And you can use all different colors. I like curly cues are kind of fun, like that. Okay, so you get the idea. You're going to fill your leaf up, each one with something different, kind of cool. And then I thought it was also interesting to outline my leaf. So I outlined, because when I paint with watercolors, it's going to resist where the oil pastel or the crayon is. I think it's called resist, right? Crayon resist painting. Okay, so now you kind of have the idea. I personally like to cover my whole picture because I feel like it gives me a complete painting. But some people like to just paint the leaf. So that's, again, you're the artist. I'm giving you options and you take it in a place that's really fun for you. All right, I've got my paintbrush and my water. I'm gonna need to wake up my paint a little bit. I think I'm gonna go for like an autumn color, and I'm just gonna paint, filling in each section with a color that I like. Get a little water in there. Also, sometimes I like to mix another little color in with that color and see what happens. Watercolor is kind of fun. So, I think you get the idea. Ooh, so fun. I'm going to keep painting after you guys go, but I think you get the idea. So you want to fill up your page. You want to look outside and see the leaves changing colors where you live. It's kind of that time of year. Happy autumn. And I want to put a challenge out to you folks that watch our videos all the time. Behind us, Miss Kate and I like to display all of our fun things that we've done. If you're a person that watches our videos, if you want to send us an email, if you see something different behind us, kind of like spot the difference from the last time we do a video, if you see anything different, you send us an email, we will send you a surprise. Yes, we will. Be really funny. It'll be a game that we can play together. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, YouTube, Alameda Arts. Send us photos of anything that you make at Alameda Arts Fun, hashtag. And thank you for joining us. Anything else, Miss Kate?
Nope, I think you covered it.
All right, you guys, happy autumn, happy fall. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.